My name is Henzy. I'm from Belfast, Northern Ireland.
Incredible. And where are we today?
Well, I'm in Samuel Leeds financial BRR Financial Freedom, and it's been great. Learn a lot of things. I did other training courses before, and I think Samuel Leeds is one of the best one, to be honest.
Fantastic. And why is that? Why do you think he's the best?
Well, the reason he is the best because, as I said to you earlier, I did other training courses, like 4 or 5 training courses. The support you get, and anytime you need something from him, you can contact them, his team or himself, and you don't get it anywhere else, honestly, because other people, what they do is, and other training courses, well, you pay the money, and the minute you pay the money, that's it, they will send you to you the course over through the online. Then that's it. You will not get any support. So, but with Samuel Leeds, I got so many support that if I need anything, or I want to speak to any solicitor, accountant, a broker, anybody, they will be there to help me out. So, one of the best course I've never seen, to be honest.
Incredible. And where are you in your property journey at the minute?
Well, I'm doing a deal sourcing right now, and it's going well. And I want to start buying my own property and, doing the BRR strategy.
So how many deals are you selling?
Well, so far I sold about 2 deals, and I'm gonna progress it. I want to learn from somewhere more and go out there and do deals. And can't wait to go back to Belfast again and selling deals out.
Incredible. What's it like actually seeing Samuel call up estate agents in real life?
Oh, it's incredible. You learn a lot from it. Physically is most important thing because every single detail you will learn from Samuel. So, just really enjoyable.